I'm gonna miss our resident stork. It's been quite a episode. You hear that clicking? Well, their nest actually broke through that glass widow watch, and you can see them both up there. Whoop, there goes one. And they've been trying to rebuild it. Whoop, there he's back. They're just massive birds, and their nests, you can see just where he landed is where the glass broke through. And during our stay, there's been seagulls that have tried to move in on the nest, but it looks like these guys are back and gonna rebuild. There's a third stork flying. And they're quite amazing birds. Look at the size of this thing. And they make this clicking noise. I don't know whether that's a mating or distress that their nest is having a problem. Anyhow, we're gonna miss. You can see the stork just landed way over there, and then there's another nest on the top of that church way in the distance. But these guys we've been watching all week here in Faro. Quite amazing. We're sure gonna miss it. We're here, there's a blizzard back home. Have a great day.